Hi, I'm Beck. Choosing the right automated irrigation system is crucial for your garden to ensure your plants remain green and healthy, and means you don't have to rely on manual watering. If you already have a sprinkler system installed, making it automated can greatly enhance your efficiency, and there's a wide variety of controllers to choose from. So come on, let's get into it. There are two main types of automated watering systems. The first is a battery operated that connects directly to your tap, and the other is a controller that connects to solenoids that regulate water flow. These controllers can be wired or wireless. Wired controllers are connected directly to the valves, whereas wireless controllers, like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, communicate with the valves without the use of the connection wires. Just imagine the convenience of being able to easily adjust your watering schedule straight from your smartphone, where you can do exactly that using the app. This system offers incredible convenience, allowing you to pre-select days and times of when you want to water, as well as allowing you to create different zones within your space. Within the app, you can customise watering durations, set flexible schedules, and implement interval watering, all with just a few taps. The Bluetooth controller makes this entire process seamless and gives you the ultimate control over your watering system. Whether you need a quick 1-minute watering session or a lengthy period, this tap timer might be for you. Just be mindful though that when connecting to your controller, you will need to be within a certain meterage. Now let's talk Wi-Fi controllers. These are a real game changer because they allow you to adjust your watering schedule from anywhere with a Wi-Fi signal, making it flexible and convenient for everybody. These tap timers are easy to set up and allow you to track your water usage, promoting water conservation. No need for complex setups, just simplicity and efficient watering. Now just imagine having a moisture sensor system that gives you real-time updates on soil moisture and temperature. With this information, you can make smart choices about when and how much to water. Now there are manual options, but a smart moisture meter is compatible with many smart timers and offers you the convenience of remote monitoring. This weather station provides real-time updates on your local weather conditions. Just like the Wi-Fi tap timers, you can get personalised updates on specific weather conditions, making it easier for your garden needs. Well, there you have it, a tap timer to suit your needs, as well as other products to help you know when to water your garden next. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.